Okay guys, for drawing water with pen, you need to apply 100% of your skills here because this is a smooth drawing. Water drops are always very smooth, so everything you are drawing have to be very smooth. The thing to do is to sketch with your pencil. Sorry, you sketch with your pencil. If you have the picture, you can draw from the picture, but I'm drawing from my imagination. Sketch with your pencil. Okay, when you are done with that, mark the highlight. Every water drop must have a highlight. As far as the water drop, it must have a highlight. Let's say our highlight will be here. Mark it very lightly so that it will not show when you start shading with pen. There will be a highlight there, and there will be highlight this side. The dark will be blending from this side to this side. So let's see, there will be a highlight here too. Do everything lightly so that you won't make mistake. So this side is a dark side, so bring it out. You will do your normal hatching and cross hatching, but everything have to be light. You start from light, then enter dark. You are trying to achieve a very smooth texture here, so you have to be very careful with it. Okay, when you are done with the dark side, now you blend into light. This side, remember when I was sketching it, I told you guys that this side was the dark part from my imagination. So this side I'm blending to this side, and there is a highlight here, don't forget. So when you are blending, some artists have also asked me how to blend. Blending is easy. On the dark part, create a line, and from the light part you release your hand, something like this. From the dark part, let the line be thicker, then to the light part remove your hand, something like this. It's really simple. So now blend into light, and don't forget this highlight that I put here will also blend it. To make it hyper realistic, you also blend it, because water doesn't have a highlight like that. It's also blended, just that you will not blend in the middle of the water, it will just be around the edges. Okay, what I'm doing right now is actually scribbling, but if you check, I'm really drawing very lightly. I keep my pen halfway, so it's scribbling, but you won't even see the circles because I just want to use it and close up the lines that I created when I was hatching and cross hatching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video and subscribe, because I'll be dropping more tutorials, more tips and secret that will help you in pen art. Okay, when you are done with the blending, you have blended to the light part. Now you bring out the highlight with your highlight pen. Is it that with this or with this? Anyone you want to highlight, I mean, is bringing out the white part that is here and highlighting this side that is pure white. This stage, some artists leave the drawing like this and think that they are done. You are not really done. You have to add shadow. There is no water drop that doesn't have shadow. So now add shadow. You also have to start from the light side and then you can blend to the dark part. I left space at the middle of here to help it look more hyper realistic. So if you are drawing like that, it's really good. But if you are covering it up, it's also good. But I left that space for it to look more real and hyper realistic. Also, when drawing this side, make it smooth too, because shadows doesn't have pores too. They doesn't need the spaces in between this line. So cover up the spaces too for the shadows. Like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips, secrets that will help you in pen art. As far as it is about art, this channel will help